ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday afternoon, the 23rd day of October. A pretty big rain event coming up for the state. We're talking widespread, beneficial, and chilly rain falling across the state. It's going to be downright cold for this time of the year tomorrow. Let's go right to some Skycam shots. We'll begin with the view coming from Livingston, the campus of the University of West Alabama. The sky cloudy there. Over in East Alabama, clouds cover that part of the state, and by golly, it's cold up there. They're in the wedge. At Chehaw State Park at 2 o'clock, the temperature was 49 degrees with a cool east wind. How about that for cold air damming? We talk about that a lot. And down south, it's raining. That's our Gulf Shore Skycam, rain falling steadily. So far, they picked up about a quarter inch. Well, make no doubt about it, that's a whopper of a storm right across the middle of the great United States of America, centered over Kansas. And that's going to bring the rain tonight and tomorrow. And, of course, bringing some snow to the folks underneath the cold core today. Temperatures right underneath that cool pool. See the 30s out there over western Kansas and parts of Nebraska. That's where the snow's been falling. Around here, we've got mostly 60s, but understand the wedge is very clear. Note that sliver of green coming down from the east, Atlanta at 58 degrees. And that cool air, again, will make for a very chilly day tomorrow with rain falling much of the day. Some parts of East Alabama could hover in the upper 40s all day. The watch warning map, we've still got winter weather advisories for parts of Kansas. The snowstorm is subsiding there. It's abating as we speak. And also some wind advisories down over parts of Florida, Southeast Alabama, and southwestern Georgia in the Tallahassee Weather Service forecast county warning area. Here's a QPF map. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and this thing is suggesting some pretty heavy rain there from Mobile up to Atlanta. That's 2 to 3 inches, with amounts elsewhere 1 to 2 inches. I still think we'll say 1 inch. Just be aware that some spots could see more than that. One way or the other, it's going to be a good rain event tonight and tomorrow. So let's look at the modeling. This is the GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. Strong shortwave energy rotating through here around the base of the upper low, and again, that's just going to be a wet day. Excellent dynamic forcing. Rain basically all day. Again, you got the low thickness values up north where they could see a few snowflakes over Des Moines and places like that, but that shouldn't be a big problem because of the surface temperatures above freezing. But again, around here, wet is the word. The rain should diminish by late afternoon. And we think there's a reasonable chance the rain will be over in time for the high school football games tomorrow night. I can't promise that, but a reasonable chance. Saturday, starting off the weekend, the shortwave rotates northeast away from us, and we are in a dry slot. And you can see the better chance of rain on Saturday will be north of a line from near Raleigh, North Carolina to Pittsburgh. And it looks awfully wet for places like Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Buffalo, but elsewhere, much of the country will be dry, including Alabama. It will be sunny with a high up in the middle 60s. Sunday, beautiful day, close to 70, bright sunshine, but look at the thickness packing up north behind that front. Monday, here comes the strong upper trough to send that cold air south. At the surface, cold air advection. Now, this run suggesting there could be a few sprinkles with that front, and that's a definite possibility with a trough like that. So cloudy periods, windy, maybe a few sprinkles and turning sharply colder. We think highs should be in the 50s. Tuesday, we're still getting cold air advection. With a surface high over South Texas and a surface low off the Atlantic coast. So it looks like a breezy and rather chilly day. I think we'll be in the 30s Tuesday morning, but the coldest morning should be this morning, Wednesday. Surface high right on top of us. And that should be the morning with widespread frost and a freeze for the colder valleys. Coldest air so far this season. And at the end of the forecast period, the 8th of November, pretty good-looking trough off to the west, and again, the weather looking increasingly stormy. Remember, this is our secondary tornado season, so wouldn't be shocked if we were to be introducing the chance of some thunder as we get into the month of November. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.